Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to sync the Govee lights to a TV. So basically, there are two different ways to sync the Govee lights to your TV. There is the camera, which is the most common one, and there is through a direct HDMI cable sync, and it's of course more accurate and it requires a special model though. So your method will depend on the Govee products that you have. So normally there's the camera option, and with the camera option, you will need to attach the LED stripe behind your TV. Then you'll have to mount the camera on the top of the TV, as it seems right here, and also right here. Then you'll have to open your Govee app and basically follow the calibration steps, and it should match your screen corners. So just follow the steps and you should be good to go. And then you can just turn your video mode and the lights will now match what's on your screen. Of course, the second method is through an HDMI sync box. And as I said, this is for a better quality and it's more accurate and there's no camera needed. So basically, you will need a plug device, which is a PS5, a PC, etc., into your sync box. So the sync box will look something like that. You have the power button, you have the switch button, single click to switch between HDMI signal sources, especially of course that you can connect multiple HDMI, like one to a PS4, one to a laptop, one to a computer, and one to a TV box. So you have multiple options. So basically plug your device into the box and connect the sync box into the TV HDMI. So one should be plugged between the device and the TV, and the other ports can be logged in into any of the plugs device that you want, like your PC or a console or whatever you want. Then you'll have to open the Govee app and enable the sync mode. Then the lights should react instantly to the content without you having to deal with any camera, and of course it will be with better quality. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.